right, so we're here at Tapco, right?
This is Tapco. This is where we're gonna get out of the water.
Showing you guys how fucking ridiculous this road is. For those of you guys who watched our Fossil Creek video, you know how fucking angry this makes me.
Wow. This is a delay. Yep, this is and then we are going down there. So we are now pumping up some boats. And we're gonna carry them down. Big old pack full of my shit, because I bring way too much stuff. And a boat at the same time. Oh, Doug Dimmadome! Here we go. All right. We're fucking karate kicking this shit, you motherfucking bitch. Look what this dude is just doing. Just, oh God.
Yes, we did. All right, very good. Is this where we're gonna be hunkering down for the night?
Yeah, baby!
Well, we're here. We're camping now. My Mark over here.
You lick them clean.
Get too much when we were setting up because batteries, but this is my tent.
Yesterday too.
I'm ready.
You ready? We figured that out really quick yesterday.
Yeah, we got nice elevation drop here. Water levels up in the trees, leaves and stuff.
Get up here on this rock and drink my dumb bitch juice. That's Jameson. That's a good old Irish. Just around the river bend. Okay, well that really wasn't the best spot for us, so go motherfucking backwards. Oh damn. River, and this is Tapco. This is where we'll be getting out.
GoPro, stop recording. Why are you still recording?